Are you struggling to stay fit because you don't have time for the gym or expensive equipment? Don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, I'll show you a full body workout you can do at home with zero equipment. This routine will help you build strength, burn fat, and boost stamina, all from your living room. So if you're ready to transform your body without excuses, let's get started. Warm up, 3 to 5 minutes. Before we jump in, warming up is very important to avoid injuries. Start with jumping jacks, 30 seconds, arm circles, 20 seconds forward, 20 seconds backward, high knees, 30 seconds, hip rotations, 20 seconds bodyweight squats, 15 reps. This warm-up increases blood flow and prepares your muscles for the workout. Full body workout, no equipment. 1 push-ups, chest, shoulders, arms. Push-ups are one of the best bodyweight exercises. Do 10-15 reps, keep your body straight. If you're a beginner, do knee push-ups. Push-ups strengthen your upper body and core at the same time. 2 squats, legs and glutes. Squats are essential for lower body strength. Do 15-20 reps. Keep your chest up. Push through your heels. Squats improve leg power, balance, and overall endurance. 3 plank, core. Planks build a strong core and improve posture. Hold for 30-45 seconds. Keep your abs tight. Don't let your hips drop. A strong core helps in every workout and daily activity. 4 mountain climbers, cardio and fat burn. This exercise boosts heart rate and burns calories fast. Do 30-40 seconds, move fast but controlled. Keep your core tight. Mountain climbers are excellent for fat loss and stamina. 5 glute bridges, lower body and core. Perfect for strengthening hips and lower back. Do 15 reps. Squeeze your glutes at the top, move slowly. This exercise also helps reduce lower back pain. 6 burpees, full body and cardio. Burpees work your entire body. Do 8-12 reps, jump explosively, modify if needed. Burpees increase endurance and burn maximum calories. Workout structure complete. 2 to 3 rounds of this workout. Rest 30-60 seconds between exercises. Total workout time, 20-25 minutes. Cool down and stretching, 3 to 5 minutes. End your workout with light stretching. Hamstring stretch, quad stretch, shoulder stretch. Deep breathing. Stretching helps muscles recover faster and reduces soreness. Stay consistent. Work out at least 4 to 5 days a week. Drink plenty of water. Combine this workout with a healthy diet for best results. If you enjoyed this full body home workout, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who wants to get fit at home. Comment below and tell me, are you a beginner or advanced? Stay strong, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next workout.